Did you know there are moons in our universe that shouldn't even exist? That's right. Rogue moons are defying everything we thought we understood about how space works. And by the end of this video, you'll see why these cosmic wanderers might just hold the key to uncovering some of the universe's greatest mysteries. First, let's start with what we know about moons, or what we thought we knew. Typically, moons form around planets, right? Planets develop enough gravity to pull debris into orbit over time, forming their loyal satellite companions. But rogue moons, they don't play by the rules. What's so wild is that rogue moons don't revolve around a planet. They're free agents. They wander through our solar system and beyond, without a clear gravitational anchor. This phenomenon shocks scientists because it's nearly impossible for a moon to form without a planet. How did these cosmic orphans come to be? Let's zoom in on how rogue moons might have been created. One popular theory is that rogue moons were once, in fact, regular moons orbiting planets. But dramatic, chaotic events, a massive collision perhaps, or the gravitational influence of a passing star, might have ripped them free from their planetary homes. Imagine a cosmic game of tug-of-war, but on a galactic scale. Now, here's another bizarre twist in this saga. Astronomers theorize that Earth itself might have had a rogue moon at some point in its past. A stray satellite briefly caught in Earth's gravitational pull before being flung back into space. Could there be rogue moons drifting through the shadows of our solar system right now, undetected? And here's where things get even stranger. Rogue moons have been found to cluster near gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. That raises exciting possibilities. Could these free-floating moons actually get recaptured by planets, starting new orbits and effectively becoming new moons? Or could they remain nomads, endlessly drifting through the depths of space? Now, if you think rogue moons aren't wild enough, get this. Scientists have speculated that some of these stray satellites could be hotspots for discovering alien life. Why? Because they might be carrying organic material or even hidden subsurface oceans similar to Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Imagine finding a rogue moon miles from its planetary origin, harboring the building blocks of life as we know it. That's not just mind-blowing, it's downright humbling. But why haven't we been able to see rogue moons clearly yet? Well, their very nature makes them elusive. Most of them likely don't emit light of their own. They're too small, too cold, and simply too far away for our telescopes to easily pick up. Luckily, with next-gen telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers are optimistic about finally shedding light on these mysterious nomads of the cosmos. So what do you think? Could rogue moons be holding secrets to the universe's greatest puzzles? It's a question scientists are eager to explore. And if we've learned one thing today, it's this. Space always finds a way to surprise us. So keep your eyes to the skies, because who knows what other cosmic secrets are still out there, just waiting to be unraveled. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.